In today's video, we're going to turn this mason jar into a terrarium. I start by adding a layer of rocks to create a false bottom. This will give a space for excess water to drain. Next, I add a piece of window screen for the substrate to sit on. I'm now adding activated carbon to the terrarium, but you can also use charcoal. This will help keep the water clean as it cycles through the terrarium. Now I'm adding a mix of soil and leaves collected from the woods. It contains microfauna that will help create a mini ecosystem. Next, I added a couple of pieces of driftwood and some rocks. Now I'm adding a layer of moss and a small fern. I wasn't sure which direction I wanted to take this build at first, and I let it take shape as I went. The rock, soil, driftwood, moss, and fern were collected near the creek Diana and I were exploring in our last video. This terrarium has allowed me to bring a piece of nature home with me to enjoy. And it also reminds me of all the places Diana and I have visited while exploring the woods. I finished things by adding a marble I found while Diana and I were exploring a creek. I also removed some of the isopods after filming this. I felt like the terrarium was overcrowded. You don't have to go deep into woods like Diana and I did to gather supplies for a terrarium like this. You can find a lot of the same material in your own backyard or at your local parks. Terrariums make an interesting conversation piece and can be placed around your home or in your office. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe for more.